My name is Simeon Hadjinotas and I'm a full professor at S&T University of Luxembourg.
My name is Jorge Querol. I am research scientist at the SICOM group.
I'm Abhishek Bera. I'm a postdoctoral researcher at S&T.
Micro5G aims to facilitate the deployment of drone-based services through mobile edge computing. The main idea is that time-sensitive processing tasks can be moved through 5G from the drone to the mobile edge and thus extend the battery lifetime and mission capabilities.
In the Micro5G project, we have two main technological enablers. The first one is the URLLC, which stands for Ultra Reliable and Low Latency Communications. And the second are the 5G non-terrestrial networks, like satellite networks. These satellite networks allows us to serve 5G connectivity in remote areas.
This initiative will promote to deploy several use cases such as network as a service, disaster resilient network, then 3D coverage mapping of cellular services, also traffic management as well. This kind of initiative also solves the real life problem with 5G assisted drone, exploring beyond visual line of sight control, dynamic geofencing and control. The opportunity here is to enable UAV missions remotely controlled through 5G. Even in the remote areas, the autonomous remote control could be possible through powerful controller running at the edge cloud and supported through satellite connectivity to the main network. The BVLOS kind of control refers to that a drone is flying beyond visual sight of a pilot, but there will be certain scenario where you cannot fly the drone. Therefore, it is important to have the dynamic geofencing and control so that it will increase the safety and the reliability of citizens.